Hey, this is 99 E300 with turbo diesel engine. So basically we are looking on the OM606 turbo diesel. This is the, I believe last year it was in the 300 series, and I would like to show you the mysterious noise, like a knocking noise from the engine, which I heard when I was purchasing vehicle, and I almost didn't buy it, but then I accidentally found out what it is. So let's start it up and I will show you what's going on. Key in. I just got home, so the engine is warm. No need to warm it up or something. Let's go here. So I don't know if the camera shows you, but there is like a knock or a rattle coming from here. So I was going to purchase vehicle. All I had was the screwdriver, so I kept putting the screwdriver on the spots and trying to pinpoint. You can feel it from here, you can feel it from here, you can feel it from here. Then I open the cover, you can see this is where the chain is coming, so I thought the chain is coming and the hitting, it's maybe loose and it's hitting the block somewhere or the cover. And then what I did by accident, I accidentally did this. This is the tensioner. Check this out. And we have absolutely perfectly quiet OM606, no vibration, no rattle. It's like brand new. And all what it is, it's the tensioner belt shock. That's the part which is bad. Check it out. Absolutely quiet. Okay, so let's shut it off. Later on the enthusiast forum, which is on Pelican parts, I was browsing and I found out it's actually common problem and more people had a problem with it. So as you can see, this is the tensioner, the belt tensioner. This is the spring and this is the shock. And that shock, it's bad. I found it on Pelican parts, probably like $27 plus shipping, so it's very cheap. I'm sure it will be not very difficult to remove it. And you heard it, the engine sound perfectly. So that's the little mysterious knocking noise which is coming from here. It's actually here the shock for the belt tensioner. Thank you for watching, and hopefully it will help you somehow.